Halligan was the prosecutor on the Comey case, and he was found to have committed serious misconduct in the prosecution of the case.
You know, that reminds me a lot of the employment cases we actually deal with, because we have these employers, you know, when you go to HR and you report discrimination, harassment, retaliation, anything you're going through in the workplace, they're supposed to investigate. And what they often do is hire a law firm to investigate, and they make this big show about, we're doing everything we can to investigate and get to the bottom of this. But then when you look into it, and what we see in so many of our cases is they hire the same firm over and over again. This firm does all of their work. They make millions of dollars. So is this firm really motivated to get to the bottom of it? Probably not. But you still have to go through these steps, and the best advice I can give anyone who comes to me before they're terminated is name witnesses. It's not comfortable, but name every single witness, collect the documents, provide everything you can to the investigators. They're supposed to talk to you, they're supposed to ask open-ended questions, and they're supposed to go ahead and interview all of the witnesses you've named. And what we've found is when they don't want to find information, they don't want to find negative facts about the employer that hired them, they're going to gloss over a lot of these things in the investigation, and that's going to help us prove later that they had zero interest in finding out what was really going on, and that helps prove your case.
Are these investigators' reports disclosed to you?
They love to bury them, but no, we're going to make them turn them over to us.
Is that usually done in the discovery process or in pre-litigation?
I mean, once a lawsuit's filed, we have mechanisms for making sure that they turn them over to us. We're dealing with that in a case right now where we had asked for the investigators' reports and defendants' attorneys have refused to turn it over. So we went ahead and filed a motion to compel, which is bringing their misconduct in front of the judge, and we're asking the judge to fine them thousands of dollars for not turning over what they know we're entitled to.
If you do get some of these investigators' reports, what are the strategies you use to kind of overcome these?
Well, so it's interesting because the investigators' reports will show, they always conclude that there's no wrongdoing done on the part of the company, of course, right? But where we get to go to work, so to speak, is we can show that there were 10 witnesses named, they only spoke to one. We can show that they didn't really have an open-ended conversation with the potential harasser or the person making those claims, right? Our clients. And so once we're able to show where the investigation failed, we really have something going. And in California, there's a wide variety of case law that tells you what a proper investigation is supposed to look like. They very rarely conduct what's a proper investigation, and so that really helps prove your case. Don't guess whether it's a proper investigation or not. Come to an attorney who's well-versed in the area and will be able to tell you if there's a proper investigation.